This is Greg Troutwine with Maritime Reporter TV. We're here today with Thomas Gabestad of Yara Marine Technologies. And Thomas, first and foremost, thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Greg, for the introduction, and thank you for having me for this call.
Okay, well, Thomas, it's quite timely and topical because just yesterday, Yara Marine Technologies announced the launch of Yara Marine X. Essentially, as I understand it, you are giving maritime startups a home for their technology development. To start us off, can you just discuss exactly what Yara Marine X is?
Yara Marine X is the new startup program for Yara Marine Technologies. So the aim is for the company to attract new startup ideas companies to support our mission to provide technologies to enable a greener maritime industry.
Can you give a little insight as to the program, how long it's been in development, and why you saw now as a good time to launch it?
So we started this program basically before the summer, started developing it with a partner in Norway called XY01. So we will target basically the maritime community, both Europe, Asia, Americas, and we think this is a good opportunity. I think also in this crisis, because now people are pretty much used to presenting, discussing also these kind of matters via Teams, Zoom, or similar channels. So the goal is to be able to attract as much as good ideas as possible. And then we will have, and now we have the launch today, 1st of September. We will have a period of 6 weeks where the various teams can spend time on sharpening their application. And then we will have a few weeks of screening, and then finally a jury where maybe around 10 candidates will be able to present their idea. Okay. And after that, we will spend about 2 weeks with the winner, just to make sure that we establish how we can assist on developing this and sharpening the program, and to basically fit for purpose for the winner.
So Thomas, obviously the decarbonization of maritime and the proliferation of green solutions is a hot trend sweeping the industry. Is this competition aiming to get green marine solutions, or is it basically open to any technology?
We are looking for someone that will support our mission, which is to enable a green maritime industry. So we want someone with technologies which can be applied on the vessel, which basically will help making the vessel greener by reducing emission, by reducing particles, everything.
I'm a company that's going to apply for this, let's say. What does Yara Marine bring to my technology development, both from a monetary standpoint, but also from an intelligence standpoint?
So what we will provide is, as you say, we will prefer that the team will come to Oslo, sit with the management, sit with that they will have access to our R&D team. They will have also access to the rest of the organization. We have a big part of the organization sitting in Gothenburg. We also have an office in Shanghai. So we think it would be very interesting for a winner to come to Oslo. We will be able to provide sales, insight, access to customers, important things for such a team, so that they can, for example, pilot their product and get the necessary access they can't get from themselves.
Okay. Just one final question. You referenced it quickly before about how this furthers the Yara Marine mission. Can you go a little bit further into depth the Yara Marine Technologies mission? How is your company evolving, and how is this competition adding to that evolution?
Yeah. So Yara Marine Technologies is one of the largest scrubber suppliers in the world. That has been we had a huge ramp up the last couple of years. And by the end of last year, we also saw that we need and we are very interested in contributing to reducing emissions globally. And by that, we need to expand our product portfolio. So we reviewed the strategy, and as I mentioned, we also came up then with a new mission. With we provide technologies to enable a greener maritime industry, and by that we came up with the several activities and actions where accelerator program is one of them. And we want to not just do this once, but we want this to be a part of the strategy going forward as well, and hopefully be able to have such a program once a year.